Cha, Xolisi nje ukungena Mongameli, sibuze ngaphambi kokumphethe. Sizwe inkulumo yakho ulapha emcimbini wamatshitshi obunge-weekend uthi umuzi nomuzi wase-South Africa kumele ube neflag. Mhlawumbe uMongameli uma engasichazela kabanzi kuleyo nkulumo athi ukunaba ngoba ishiya abantu abaningi bedidekile abanye bejabule.
Kulula lokho nje ngane wethu. Since the dawn of democracy, we never given the chance to celebrate and to own our own country, and we will own the way to izwe lethu ukuthi sicelebrate silithande lingene ekujuleni kweinhliziyo zethu leyo chance sikaze sinikezwe. Ngikhuluma nje mina, I've traveled more than 68 countries worldwide, and mawuthi uyabuka the majority of countries is about them first more than anything. Thina siyizwe lokugcina ekukhululweni eNingizimu Afrika. Now, njengas normal South African citizen who happens to become the president of the Pinga Nation, appointed by His Majesty the King Mrs. Lucas Wilton, I have a right and authority to encourage our own to do the right thing, using my experience, using the wisdom and the rule of law in the campaign that we are in. As we are facing umhla 30 June 2026, ukuthi abokufika ababe sebehambile kulelizwe. Ngiyacela ngani zakwethu ukuthi umuzi nomuzi waseNingizimu Afrika, all corners of South Africa, if you are the proud South African human being, proud South African person, can we do the rightful thing that we should be proud of? Our flag. Izwe lethu got a very beautiful flag across the globe. But you go internationally, you find ukuthi kunomuntu obalekile kuthiwa uKing John waseNorth Korea, upresident wakhona. Upresident ufika umuzi nomuzi uneflag lakhona lapha nobuso bakhe. Ufike futhi umuzi nomuzi America nezakhiwo zikahulumeni and industrial firms, their institutions, they got the flag of America. La South Africa, uthola ukuthi ukuhambe more than 200 kilometers ungakazi ubone iflag ukuthi uliphi. So can we retain the pride of our country and the pride of our nation in this difficult time? Can each and every household, whomever is out there in factories, can you produce more than what you can in terms of producing and printing our South African flag? Each and every house before the 30th must have this flag of South Africa. Mose motweni abekho ni flag. Noma designer, ama designers, our design ingubo ezine flag yaseNingizimu Afrika. So can we return our own pride? Because it's our symbol, and now these people are taking our coat of arms and misusing our coat of arms. As a result of us, we are not proud of who we are and where we come from. We are South African people. My South African brothers, all corners, everywhere, schools. Angagcina ukubona iflag ema-police station nakuma-embassies. Noma ungena lapha ePitoli kuphela. Wonke amabhilidi, amafemu, umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika okhona njengamanje akabonakale ngeflag. Ngiyacela ngani zakwethu, it start with us, and the rest of the world will respect us. Can we respect our own? Can we revive our freedom? Can we revive our democracy? Can we be proud again? Can we be great again? Can it be about us? Can this flag of South Africa fly each and every household? Like Christians when they own Bibles in their own house. Like Zulus when they own spears in their own families, in their own homes. because you can be poorest of them all. But if you have a spear in your house as a Zulu and an African man, you have a protection. There is no country on the world that does not have army in their own homes, in their own countries. As a result of that, you can have everything, but if you are not secured and security, anyone can come and loot your country. South Africa, great agree. South Africa, great agree. Yabo.
Agere ha date e ntse a tumela ya di 30 tsa June. Ha re sa reka shopong tsa ma Somali le ma Pakistan agere. Ask reka. Da. Na shopong tse ngata South Africa, re se ra rekang ko di shopong tsa ma Pakistan bana beso. Le ma Somali. Kwa lampompo ya tšhelete ya ma South Africa. Kelkop. Oskara ware kwang. We protest ka everything. We are protesting ka everything. And then kadi local elections, see, hari vote mi gulukutu tshwana libo ANC. Libo EFF. DA. Not personal, I'm not. I want to include MKP on the same list because President Yabona Ntate Zuma olare akekho umuntu ozoqoshwa la. Thena sitaba politiki. Re batla boriga parties tse ko supportang patriotism. Na for Joburg, ke buella Joburg. Ke buella Joburg. Na for Joburg ke votela Ntate Mashaba. Hobane ma hona le team e strong Ntate Mashaba. I team I promise. I'm not a political party member, Action SA, and I will never be a political member, Action SA. I'm not interested. In my city, Johannesburg. When eThekwini, you can elect your own political party, eThekwini. Valikikas, Kimoki Shanting. They can decide to vote something else there. Marassembly, Kyalukupa. Skela vote lamba to make system a foreigner in our country. There is no point. Honavale kadi 30, Ribatwa e high. Then when ka November boko votela ANC. There is no point. Uruksetsa murao. O go go kisa bona batho ba ritellang bo Ntatembeki wa ritella man. Ntate Ramaphosa una dansa man a shapa kinki toilets ka buke intwana yetsa anasaka munasaka mo. Ntate Ramaphosa a thabile ona le dile ba isitsi o sitsi dilia exit plan ya high. Kwana kontong go Botswana. Asaka mo yena le President Boko Haram wa Botswana na imbitsa Boko Haram a ke go la bua ntho ikelang kwa mara is not my president, so I didn't pass ke bua ko wa rona o ileng aya kwa asaka motho ndate we potsore o ka go saka country ya hao ho na le moferefere o mokana kana o etsalang ino country wena wa saka. So there is no way, ladies and gentlemen, that regarding 30th of June wena unzo reka ma Pakistani wena unzo yets o go votela di party tse tshwana le bo ANC tse dumeletse ma foreigner a tle ka mo tse supporta ma foreigner. Hona ba le DP president DP Kimang, Ntate Mashatile kuona they've instructed security forces. What's a kasibeti? Ankhale futa la di taimani hona jwale. Unkhale futa la rutotse presenter taimani and then ha ka investigate wa hantle. That thing e ka mkenya mathateng. Onaling nkukwana the wealth of these politicians is unexplainable. If investigations can be done on the wealth of these politicians, where do they get this money? Where do they get these properties? How come are they so wealthy? Especially ANC politicians. And those that were in the ANC before they started their own political parties. We are not excusing anyone here. Ratello in South Africa, ratello ile ka nnete. So, ska re khutsetsa morao le wena, mo Afrika Borwa. Don't buy from their stores. Don't buy uske wa reka. Re tlo e lwana di vote. Re tlo e lwana ka di march. Re tlo e lwana le ka tšhelete tsa rona. Re ba bontsha hore ha re di bapallwa rona in South Africa. Ha re tanakelwe rona. Miliko. Ke miliko ntho tse. Ke miliko. Ata ke ntse ke nana ke a tine. Ke miliko. Re etelwa pele ke miliko ya batho. Ba re leka. Miliko ke motho e o lekang. Miliko ya batho.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. This is Ungezwe Mchunu, President of the Bhinqa Nation, sending a strong message to South Africans ukuthi asithandzeni kusebenzisa iflag laseMzansi. Usekumanje nje kufika 30 June bantu abasebenzisa amaflegi ubonakala nje ukuthi you are a proudly South African. Uthi mawufika kulamanye amave etenza ukuthi ningothola abantu babeke amaflegi etindlini ngaphandle kugcwele awubuthi nokubuta ukuthi kukuphi la vele ubona usesuse America uthi but when it comes to South Africa South Africans awathanzi ukusebenzisa iflag lase South Africa and kubaleke kakhulu kuyisebenzisa ubonakale ukuthi you are a proudly South African. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.